Welcome to another mega exciting. Hang on, I've just realised I'm playing someone who's 2589. Maybe mega terrifying is another word. Should I play a dragon 2589 against someone? I don't remember anyone 2589 on the 5-minute auto pairing. Why am I being picked on? I'm only a poor bunny 2200. Why am I being picked on by the ICC auto pairing? I feel the victim. I'm feeling like a victim at this moment. Anyway, this is Sicilian dragon theory. I haven't made anything up, I think, just yet. Who is this guy? Gordon Bennett. He's only played 10 games. He's won 9, drawn 1. He's got no GM title. Oh man, you gotta be kidding. He's 1 minute 2300. I think this guy might be the real deal. 1 minute 2300. Being up to 2433, 15th of July, which is like yesterday from the time of this video. I know I schedule videos in advance. You might be looking at this in a few days' time. Oh boy. We can try B5. We can try it, probably get blasted. Is he going to take a pawn? How greedy is he? Is he going to take that pawn? Might as well. It's a little bit. I'll go about D8 here. Is that a disaster? There's bishop B6. It looks like it could be a disaster because of bishop B6. Yeah. I can't even make this work because he's controlling C3 knight takes. He's controlling C3 A takes. It just takes that. Controlling C3. No, B takes after. It's like 2 pieces for the queen. Otherwise, he's like, well, he's winning in exchange or something by force. Is that lesser evil? I guess it might be lesser evil to lose the exchange instead. Yeah, I'm game for a laugh. I'm
check.
Oh boy, oh boy. He has to have a sense of humour on this auto pairing, I think. I'll set the exchange here because I don't think knight d5 is palatable. Queen c5 to a3. I'm hoping there's a tiny bit of what you might argue could be called compensation of sorts. He hasn't given me access to that c5 square. It's going to ruin my any fun I might have imagined in the position. Yeah, I know he's going to take my bishop out, but I'm wondering about bishop b3 later. Simple. Rook, queen b4, I suppose. Rook d4. Is d5 possible? Put some pressure on this diagonal. No idea. So I'm down on the clock. Exchange down. Opponent's rating mammoth, based on not a gigantic game sample, but winning 9, losing 1 is pretty impressive, I think. On the 5-minute auto pairing. Doesn't look as though there's any play. I can drive the queen a4. Is it? I mean, just going to drive the queen away with rook d4 or something. Just drives the queen away and maybe puts the other rook to defend b3. I mean, I'll get a chance for Queen A4. Oh, right, H6 is too dangerous anyway. And King G6. Where do we get the queens off? Where do you want the queens off, or will you try and mate me? Yeah, it's looking pretty bad. I think just check here. King G6. Is he playing the check? And clearly I am not getting too much counterplay. I don't think this is visibly, it looks as though everything's really sorted out for white. There's no major issue. Bishop G4 takes is on F6. I'll give it a shot actually. I assume he's mating with H6 after. Actually, that's end of game. Actually, yeah, he's just breaking through here to my king. I think that's pretty clear cut with H6. That's just winning. Can I try and get? Oh, he's on the bishop as well. That was the end of the dragon. Dragon blasted to bits. I'm going to take this guy maybe, so H6 doesn't happen. But then I think I get background mated. Queen F6, Rook D8. I don't think there's any need to think about that. Queen F6 and Rook D8 is instant. I think instant death for my king.
Check.
Provisional, huh? My rating didn't get adjusted actually. Well, it did, sorry, by 2 points. I went down to 2203, so. Standard stuff so far, I think. G4, that's actually given us one mentioned by the engine. G4 and this H4 business. Is this actually a stronger plan by white? Just a munch now. A4 95, really strong move. There's this trick, there's 97. It's
check.
Although this might have been better than the game continuation, taking as the engine choice. This is just a disaster with Bishop B6. It's worse than
check.
The other one. Yeah. Bishop B6. Yeah, I was hoping for Bishop A5 actually. Then Queen C5, I got some glimmer of hope. But when he plays Bishop B6, that stops any glimmer of hope. There's no Queen C5. That's the top engine move. Top engine move again. Just takes Queen D4. King B2. Okay. Yeah, Rook D3 sufficient to cover everything. That's nice. Yeah, it looks as though I'm dead here. I haven't got any compensation for the exchange whatsoever. That looks dead. Just F4 is it's a bone crushing move actually, because I think if I play H6, I think he just takes and then here's H6. It's all crashing through. What can you do? What can you do? Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.